Okay, what we're going to look at here is a very simple example of a range check, and then we're going to use try catch for a type check. So we have a number, integer, we set it to 0, and we have a boolean flag, we set it to false. So we loop until the flag equals true, and then we write the value of the number and read line. So very simple, we just input some data. In our range check, we say if the number is greater than or equal to 1 and the number is less than or equal to 0, then we set the flag to true. So we're just checking that our input data is correct. So we run this, and if I enter 1, it's valid. I display, that's fine. I run it again, and if I enter 0, it keeps looping. If I enter 4, it keeps looping. Let's try 3.5. Okay, that loops, so everything's fine unless I enter letter A. When I enter the letter A, rather than looping, my program crashes. In order to stop my program from crashing, there we go, so my program crashed. In order to stop it from crashing, I'll use try catch. So I just come up here and I type in. So I'm going to loop, so I do try. Now try catch is a bit like an if statement, so I do try, and I just type in try, the rest of it comes up, and I take this section here and I cut it and I just paste it in the try. So I'm going to try it, and if I get an error message, it will catch that. Now I could put a message here to the screen, but in this case I don't need to, because all I need to do is set valid to true, and it will keep looping until valid is true. So when it comes into this section, it doesn't need to do anything, it just needs to keep looping. So now I'm going to run it again, and I type in 0, I get presented with the message. I type in 4, I get presented with the message. I type in letter A, I get presented with the message, the letter M, and let's try pound sign. I'm going to try pound sign. Anything I type in sends me back to the menu, and then I type in number 2, which is valid, and it accepts it, and the program terminates. So that's how I add a try catch statement here, and this is the range check, and this is the type check, and that's that. So you can code that up to practice. Thank you.